1932 Ford. It's a pickup truck cab that's been channeled 9.5 inches, sitting on a 1930 frame. I bought it out of Maine. I bought it on the website. I had it shipped out here. When I first bought it, it had a Mustang front end on it, and I didn't like the way that looked, so I had that cut off and I put a drop axle on it. It was done by Orange County Customs when I lived in California. Motor is a 350 with a blower on it, and it's got a Ford automatic transmission with a Ford rear end. Got a small cam in it. I don't know what size, to tell you the truth, but I bought the motor already put together, and bought the motor in there, and I bought the blower setup from my brother-in-law who lives in Colorado. He bought it for one of his cars. He never used it, so I bought it from him. Mechanics here in town, they put the blower on, and it's got two carburetors, two 4-wheel carburetors. Don't know what size they are. The radiator came with the car. I had it cored out and everything when I got the car to make sure everything was running good there. And all the brake lights work, race light. It's got turning signals, headlights work, high beams work. It's road ready. It's got a drop front end axle on it. And it's got new interior. It's got a wooden bed. It's got a spun aluminum Moon's gas tank in the back. And we put it on a dyno before we put it in the car, and it dynoed out at 700 horsepower. So whether it is 700 horsepower or not, I have no idea, because I haven't even opened up the second carburetor yet, because it's a little bit scary in that type of a cab. It's always been kept in the garage, so it hasn't faded a bit. And the paint job's it's kind of a maroon color. I did not do the work. It's all done by professionals. The motor was built by a guy here in town that used to subcontract to Magic Boats. When they went out of business, he lost his job, so he's working out of his backyard now, but he's still a professional. And the frame was done. The frame was done by Orange County Customs, California. And the rims, I bought the rims and the tires, because when I bought the car, it had pet tires in the back and regular tires in the front. And I like the white wall effect, like the old school hot rod, so I put that on there. The interior was done by a guy in California also, actually 2 doors down from Moon's Equipment, and I bought the gas tank from Moon's Equipment in Santa Fe Springs.